Hello, welcome to all in this video session. Today my discussion topic is how to declare slow moving, non-moving or obsolete inventory. How can we extract the report we have discussed in our previous videos. So my main objective is to discuss the how can we declare the slow moving, non-moving inventories is this. If the material is slow moving or non-moving or obsolete, then we can scrap the inventories and get some revenues by after scrapping, and that will reflect in our books of account as a revenue. Okay, how can we do this? For this we have to declare our inventories slow moving or non moving. Then we have to transfer our inventories in ZSOI type of the material, and subsequently after that we have to proceed the scrapping sales procedure. Okay, scrapping of the inventory, following procedure is to be followed. Okay, we have to execute the transaction code MC.6 for the scrapping purpose. For the analysis of the store is location for the given period. Execute the transaction code MC.6, fill the plan code, fill the storage location, fill the given period for which period you just want to do analysis, and just execute. See, this is the storage location, this is the value stock reconciliation values, and this is the no material movements. Okay, so how can you get the detail? If you click on the detail values, see, if you click on this detail values, click on this, see, this is storage location, then you will get the data no material movements. See, these material have no material movements, these material have no material movement during this period. So my objective is to declare as a non-moving or slow moving. For the different companies, this criteria is different. Okay, so as per the instruction given by the executive director or director of your company, you should perform this activity at your field units level. Okay, so after analyzing which material is slow moving or non moving, you should declare such material as a slow moving or non moving using this procedure. ZMMP underscore SMO01, fill the data and plant. You can declare your material is slow moving or non moving. Okay, so I'm just going to execute the transaction code ZMMP underscore SMO01. This is the customized transaction code for my company only. Okay, enter the plant, enter the storage location, enter the company code, and just execute this transaction code. These are the materials showing already declared as a slow moving, non moving or surplus. Okay, you have to maintain your own entry using this process. Click on this display change mode, and you can also maintain and click on the new entries and maintain your material code. So again go in the MC.6, extract the material list. See, this 12001457 is non-moving from during this period, so I can maintain this 12001457, plant 3002, SLOC is 1000, and material description, you can maintain your own material description. Okay, this is purely training and conceptual video how you can declare the slow moving and non moving or obsolete. Before declaring such material, you should take to approval of your concerned unit head with proper justification. Okay, see, material code, plant code, and SLOC, and date from which it's non-moving. You can just post this entry. Okay, once you post and save the entry, this entry will be showing in your ZMMR underscore SMO report. Okay, slow moving, non moving or obsolete inventories report. Okay, so let's just verify this report in ZMMR underscore SMO. ZMMR underscore SMO. You can also fill your direct material code and plant. The system will give you report, but I am just getting the report of whole plant. Okay. You need to wait for some time depending on the server speed. Okay. See, this is the material code which are declared slow moving, non moving, obsolete, surplus. Okay, surplus quantities and all. Okay. See, this is our material code 12001457, and we have declared this non-moving from 1/4/2020. One quantity I have declared. Okay. Okay. So my next objective is how can we treat such material in SAP to be reflect in our books of account, because my objective is not to declare such material in obsolete or slow moving. It should be reflect in your books of account or your company balance sheet. So what is the next step? You should convert such material into scrapping of the inventory type of the material. Okay, how can we scrap such material, transfer such material into scrap of inventory type of the material? We will do the process. Search material into, use the transaction code ZMM underscore HSN underscore MAT. ZMM underscore HSN underscore MAT. This is also a customized transaction code for my company. Material type is ZSOI type of the material. You can choose ZSOI type of the material. In control code you can fill star, in plant code you can fill your plant code and just execute. See, these are the material code which are extended as a ZSOI type of the material in our plant. We have to choose any one of them, but should we take care that unit of these material code and our original material code should be same, because my original material code is a card and unit is number, so we can choose any of these material code which unit is number and just similar material code. Okay, so my objective is to choose in the some similar code. Okay, ZNIC PCMIA, this is the similar card, so I'm just going to choose. So my next objective is what we have to do further. We have to execute the transaction code MIGO transfer posting other material to material movement type Z09. You should have a sufficient role of movement type Z09. If not, then ask to core team or basis core team for provide such role with proper approval from the competent authority. Here transfer posting other from this our original material to ZSOI type of the material. This material code, the plant code and storage location, quantity is single and numbers. See, this ZSOI type of the material and plant code and storage location. Inventory to scrap. Okay. So you need to maintain the document date, posting date as per your suitability. Check this collective slip and maintain the quantity. Check and post. Once you post this document, it should be reflect in our respective obsolete GL accounts. Okay, you can check such entry using FS10N. FS10N is a general ledger display account. Okay, in FS10N you should maintain your account number, means general ledger account number. 233002 is a obsolete inventory ZL. Fiscal year is 2020. Go in the dynamic selection, maintain the business area, and save and execute the entry. See, in month of January I have posted the document. So in month of January I have this debit entry 3419.17. So we have booked the expense in this GL, obsolete unserviceable general ledger account 2333002. Okay, click on this number, you will get the display of detail. Okay, see, in the 16 January 2021 we have two entries. WA document is there, so you can get the detail of these documents. Okay, so select any document and click on this display and go in the mountain. You will get the accounting document. See what is happened. This is the accounting document number. What happened after posting this entry? Store of apparatus and plant is credited with 1415.25. Okay, store obsolete inventory and unserviceable store 2330002 is debited with 1415.25. Okay, see what I have done, transfer the our main store material to obsolete store material. So what is effect on this? Store of material is credited and one credit entry is there, and in obsolete GL account one debit entry is there. Okay, so this is our main objective. So what we do in next, we will create the sale order for the scrap sale order with respect to our ZSOI type of the inventory and material. We will sell such material to the customer and generate some revenue. So our main objective is to do this, to collect some revenue and reflect in the books of accounts. Okay, in every financial year, at the end of the financial year, you should perform such activity to collect some revenue. Okay, so this is all about how we can declare such inventory as a slow moving, non moving or obsolete, and subsequently transfer such slow moving, non moving and obsolete inventory into scrap of inventory type of the material for the scrap sale process. Okay, thank you all for watching this video. Please like this video, it give us motivation. Please share this knowledge with your colleagues and friends. Okay, because sharing is caring. And if you are new in my YouTube channel ERP SAP team, please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for my latest video updates. We are daily uploading video on new basic topic of SAP MM, PM, FICO, HCM, SND and all. If you have any query regarding this or suggestion, then please free to feel mention in the comment box or mail at erpsapteam@gmail.com. And thank you for watching. Keep smiling. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.